What's up guys, this is my mom's 2006 Kia Sedona with 262,000 miles and it has one problem. And that is a bad catalytic converter. Let's get into it. Alright, so my symptoms of bad catalytic converter was I couldn't go past 4,000 RPMs no matter what I do. It wouldn't reach like 5 or 6. The car won't go past 30 miles per hour and it couldn't reach 60 miles per hour in the freeway, which is pretty dangerous. Now this is the new catalytic converter. You can see right through it, pretty much clean, brand new, with like 120 bucks on eBay. Now this is the old one. Can't see through it. I tried cleaning it, it didn't work, and it pretty much cooked. So let's go ahead and put in a new one and see what happens. Alright guys, so now it's in and it sounds pretty good. Now let's go ahead and go for a drive. Alright man, so we're hitting past 60, which is pretty great, and we're pretty much done. I thought it was a bad automatic transmission, but hopefully I took up codes and it turned out to have catalytic converter codes, so that led me to the rear catalytic converter, and that was a problem. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So make sure you guys check the codes first, and that will lead you to your problem. So I got tons of projects to do, and I'll see you guys in the next video.